content of this meeting is being sent to a third party. By the way, uh,
Okay, I need
whatever.
run
Oh,
now.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
We will start at 8 to 5, sir. 8
Okay.
5. Exactly, we will start. We will wait for 5 minutes.
Hi everyone. Thanks for joining early. So let's wait for a couple more minutes and we'll get started. Maybe we started around 8:03, 8:04, uh, uh, because people are still joining. So thanks for being patient. Okay. We're just making everything ready right now. So we'll get started as soon as possible. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
Praveen.
evening.
Yeah, hi
Good evening, sir.
everyone. Have a nice evening, bro.
Thank you.
I think it's around 8 o'clock in the night. Thought people will not be that much be joining. I feel enthusiasm good, like for people join on time. That's really nice. Okay. The second thing really looking out for us, mute yourself, guys. I want people to mute yourself so that it doesn't disturb anyone.
देखो
Mm. Mm. Okay, Srini, you can start sharing your screen. Be ready with your content. Okay. Hmm. Srini, can you hear me? Can you talk?
Hello?
Yeah, can you talk? Yeah, good.
Yeah, sir. Shall we start?
One more minute.
Yeah, okay. Fine.
Good evening, Shan, and everyone out there. Very good evening. Okay. So before getting started the session, right, I just want to give an overview of the day. Today is Sunday, around 8 p.m. People would be very much eager for at least taking a good sleep and then start the work for tomorrow, right? That's what people will do. Sorry for making you all stay at 8 to 9 today. So it was yesterday. It was yesterday session where I need to move it to today, but it was a very great session. A very great match yesterday. So it's one in a lifetime. I think we should not miss that session. So with India South Africa match was very great. So that's why we postponed it, and it was very much fruitful that we Indian wins, right? So that was really great. So So just be with us for one more hour. We'll try to see what are the things that really needed for F1O, like psychology that you're going to cover, and then a little bit of here and there. So try to understand how the structure is formed and those things. But it'll not be deeper into the subject, but at least like you get an overview of what is in the store. So that's what is planned today. So all the best for Srini to conduct. So I'll be silent. If you have any doubts or anything, just let me know well in advance. I will take care from there. Okay. So it's all over to Srini. Srini, just take it over from here. Just carry on with your work right now. Okay. And thanks all for joining on time. Okay. That's great thing. Go ahead, bro.
Hello to all. I am Srinivas. I am in stock market trading from the last 3.5 years. Earlier, I was also a student like you all. I have attended a lot of seminars, lot of webinars, and I have attended for a lot of courses. But here I want to give credit to Sri Premanand Gunshekaran. The stuff, the way, and the ideology of his teachings inspired me to work on a lot of strategies in stock market. So FIGOS is going to study FNO trading, especially FNO trading. 1 minute. Sorry for the disturbance. FIGOS wants to study the FNO trading style in a different way. That is our intention. That way we did, and we have cracked the FNO trading style in a different manner when compared to others. So as per study of SEBI, as you all know, 94% of the traders are losers in the FNO trading. That is what our concern is too. And main losers are retail traders. Especially retail traders are struggling to crack the FNO trading in their lives. And a lot of people are losing money in the FNO trading. Not only in FNO trading, intraday trading is also affecting them. So by observing all these things, and me and Figo Waves are decided to crack the FNO trading in a different style, where it will be useful to the retail traders in a different manner, where their risks are minimal and their returns are maximum. And you all know stock market, everyone will be loser if they don't know what they are doing. Especially you need to concentrate on your psychology. You need to concentrate on your financial ability, especially related to FNO trading. You need to concentrate on your psychology, and you need to concentrate on your financial stability while facing the FNO trading. Because FNO trading is a big guy's game. We are little fishes in the sea, but they are sharks. With a single swallow, they will swallow all your money in a single point of second. You all observed different types of moves in the FNO. So is there any solution for that FNO trading, whether our risks are minimal and our profits are maximum? We need to increase our profits and we need to decrease our financial losses in the FNO trading. So for that, you need to first concentrate on your psychology and your mindset. Without your psychology understanding and without understanding your own mindset, please don't do FNO trading. Please be with your capital. because if you want to run, your two legs are important, right? You want to run, but if you not have legs, how will you run? In the same way, FNO trading is also required capital. A sufficient amount of capital is required. If you have capital, then only you will be in the trading. So the reason for conducting this seminar is to aware you what type of risk you are going to face in FNO trading without knowledge. And with knowledge, how can you minimize the loss and how can you maximize your profit? To make you aware of this situation, we are going to conduct this seminar for you all. So, lot of you, as of today, lot of you maybe tried, maybe already in losses, maybe already in profits, maybe already you designed your own strategy, already your journey is very good or somewhat very bad. So it's a mixed type of people will be there in this seminar. To address all your concerns, we designed this seminar. So please be patient with us 1 hour. Actually, we want to say sorry. We are conducting this on the Sunday. Actually, we wanted to do it on yesterday, but because of the South Africa and India's final match, lot of Indians are lovers of cricket. So we do understand your loving nature. That's why we postponed to today. But today is also somewhat your privacy with your family. You have friends, you have life, personal life, but you need to spend with that. But okay, people are losing in the financial matters, especially in the FNO trading. And this seminar will help them to take a correct decision how to trade FNO without losses or with minimal losses. If we conduct the seminar on this, then they will be useful for them. Like that we thought, and that's why we are conducting this seminar. And first most thing we need to concentrate is chart. Chart. Everyone has beautiful charts in front of them. But the thing is, not everyone has beautiful strategy or beautiful mindset while trading. See, if you observe this candle, lot of traders think that, especially retail traders or those who doesn't have the strategy or nothing, they are not thinking anything. They will think only one thing, a big green candle, 250 point big green candle in the 15 minutes. And now they will enter in the buy side. Immediately in the next candle, they will trap you. And see how much fall. Here also, the same 250 minutes sudden fall. Now, I want to say one thing here. What is your psychology when a single big green candle is formed? As a retail traders, we will think that here resistance is broken. This particular resistance is broken, and now single green candle is formed. Generally, we will take buy trade. But what will happen? On the next 15 minutes, they will make you, they will fool you. Yes, it is a bull run. And when you are in dreams of bull run, that is the right time for them to trap you. Now see the fall. Lot of retail traders will be fishes, small fishes for this big shark, 250 point big shark. Lot of retail traders will enter into call side trades and they will lose their money. Simply. Here your psychology should matter. Here 3 important points you should remember while deciding a trade in the options and futures, or in the stock options and stock futures also. You take any derivative instrument, while entering into trade, you need to consider 3 important points. First point, whether you are aware of your risk or not. See, you are trading FNO, which means you are putting your hard-earned money, whatever, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 50 lakh, whatever the money you are putting in the options or futures, it is a hard-earned money. The first foremost thing you should calculate is risk. Okay, this is the 50-minute candle, bull run is came. That is okay. You entered. That is also not wrong. But what wrong is whether you know or not about your risk. Yeah, I am putting 10K. How much is my risk? If risk is more, stay away from the trade. If risk is less, you take the trade. See, FNO trading, you should first calculate your risk. And the second thing, you have calculated your risk. And the second thing, what you need to do after calculating risk, you need to put an order, right? You need to put an order. So you need to take order. How? How you need to take order? You should have clarity. Why you are taking order, when you are taking order, with how much risk you are taking order. That is important task in the FNO. I will consider 53,000 put. Okay. For example, on 28th, this is the first candle. This is the first 15 minutes candle. Now, generally, we retailers will think this is the big green candle, which is nothing but bulls are entered. Now, what you will do? The first thing you need to calculate is risk. Okay, if I have taken the trade above this 570, then what should be my target? And what will be my loss? What is the risk of my capital? You need to calculate first risk. If you calculate risk, then you should think about the return. In between them, in between risk and return, there is a order concept where you need to take order. Okay, we have defined 3 points. One, risk. Second one, order. Third one, return. Okay. As a retailer, what will think? I will take the trade above this 570. Okay, I placed a buy order. What will happen? It will get executed in the next candle. In the next candle, immediately what happened? It came up to 466, which is nothing but 100 points drop. In a single 15-minute candle, 100-point drop. Then what will happen here is, your emotions will come into play. Array, I have placed an order at 570, but it came to 480. Let us execute. Otherwise, my capital will be lost. Then your emotions comes into play. No, stay in this trade. You may get return again. Market may reverse again. Like that, emotions will come into play. See, you have calculated risk sufficiently. You have taken order sufficiently. But now confusions will start because of emotions. Suddenly 100 points, let us exit. You will exit with loss. It will come reversal, it will come reverse again, it will come up again. I will stay in this trade. You will stay. By God's grace or luck, your market will come upside. But sometimes what will happen? See here, market went to 716, but later it came up to 383, 50% loss. When you stay in the trade, if you are still thinking about the reversal, they will push down the market like anything. When you are taking the trade because of the green candle or 200 points up run, again they will take down and they will consolidate, and again they will take up, and again they push down, and again they will go up. What will happen to your mind is simply you will overtrade in this situation. Here green candle formed, you take buy. Market is falling, I will take put. Like that, your mind will enter into the confusion. So, in the FNO trading, you should first calculate your risk and then orders, whether you take PE or CE, or at what point you need to execute your trade. You need to decide this thing. And third important point is return also. Since it is an option, options moves are very highly volatile. I have seen in my career the 1.5 rupees of the Fin Nifty entered into 350 rupees. In my career of last 3.5 years trading, one day Fin Nifty 1.5 rupees to it went up to 350 rupees. Actual figure is 382 rupees. See how much return you will get. Nearly 300 rupees return, 300 times return. How much time will take in your life to get that much return? So that is why people are attracted to the FNO, because of the very, very high volatile returns. Your life will get settled in one trade. If you, by luck or by strategy, if you are in one trade, if that trade 1 rupee goes to 100 rupees, your life will get settled. That is the dream you will get while trading FNO. That is also one of the emotion which is spoiling the retailer's mindset. See, you are expecting very unrealistic returns. That is also very, very important point you are considering while trading FNO. So here what I want to say is, everyone know the risk. Everyone will think about the return. Everyone knows about the emotion, different emotions will enter in while in trade. But everyone wants to do FNO only, even then. Even then everyone wants to do FNO trading. Why? Because the moves are like that. Simply 1 rupee getting 100 rupee. Okay, if not today, by tomorrow, my 1 rupee will become 100 rupees. My 1 lakh will become 100 lakhs in 1 crore. In days or weeks, I will get crorepati. Then my life will get settled. I agree, 1 rupee will become 100 rupees. But those moves are occasional in the FNO trading. Because of the occasional moves, you are losing your lifetime savings. You are losing your lifetime savings. The most important emotional balance required is the money management in your life. FNO trading will be there forever. The two questions you should answer is whether my capital will be there with me or with a small loss, I will be get out from this trade or not. That is how you need to think while trading FNO. See, a lot of people I have seen, they are doing FNO trading alone. This is the psychological point affecting them very, very disastrously. They will end in their life. So I want to give a suggestion to all in the psychology matter that if you want to start FNO trading, particularly futures, options related to Bank Nifty, Nifty, Fin Nifty, or call options of the stocks, put options of the stocks, futures of the stocks. If you want to trade any derivative segment, you should not trade alone. Why? Because if you are alone, you need to talk yourself very balancedly. But if emotions are coming to destroy you, even your mind will not listen your words. Remember, my friends, you should not trade FNO alone. Why? Because if you trade alone, if any decision is wrong, your mind always fight against it. Definitely. Even you are a well-versed trader, over trading will come into effect. You will take 30 trades, 50 trades, 60 trades. No matter how much, how long you want to go, you will go. What risk you want to take, you will take in that situation. So FNO trading will be risky, but you should not trade it alone. If you trade it alone, definitely you yourself pushing your mindset into well, where your mind will not know swimming. If you don't know swimming, if you are in well, what will happen? You will drown. If no other person is seen, then what will happen? You don't know swimming, you fell into the well, and no other person is there to watch you, at least to save you. Think about your situation. The same will happen in FNO trading. There must be some person behind you. It may be trainer, it may be coach, it may be family member, it may be your friend, it may be your well-wisher. Anyone should be behind you to guide you, to train you, or to warn you, or to teach you. So FNO trading needs monitoring by other person on you. So generally, you will not share your trading activities with the secondary person. That is a blunder mistake we are doing. You should share your trading activities, especially FNO, with your family members. Because if any financial uncertainties comes, you should share first with your family members, right? But if you are considering it early, that will be very supportive to you. Share with your family and friends about your trading activities in the FNO so that you will take responsibility of your trades. You will take personal responsibility before only. See, after taking risk, after losing all without knowing something, it is better to share with them before the only your trading activities with them, so that you will get survive from the risks appearing in the FNO trading. Someday or other day.
Can I stop here? One second.
Yes,
So
sir.
Guys, so what Srini is trying to say here is, so unless you cannot take a trade alone, why he's not taking asking you to take a trade alone is, so if you take a trade alone, there will not be any kind of a support that other people will be doing for you. Okay, because you're entering into the trade, and you are the full responsibility. You have the full responsibility of closing the trade. But in this case scenario, you will not be in a position to close because there will not be any person to tell you that, hey, idiot, you're making everything is going wrong. So please close it. That kind of a mindset will happen. But before all this stuff, right? First thing that you need to have a concern with your family members that are you okay in trading in FNO or trading in stock market? That is the first thing that you need to do with your family. You have to sit with your family members, talk to them, see to that, sir, I'm daddy, papa, mama, or your BV or wife or whatever things, right? Just talk to them saying that, see, I have developed certain strategies and everything. I want to get into a stock market and I want to work on the stock market. Is there any support that you people can give me that you can support me when I'm doing the stock market things and those things? If your family members are allowing you to do it, okay, you are succeed. You already, your psychology mind will get cleared that everyone in the family members are allowing you to take a trade. So in that case, your mind will be utter clear. So whatever trade that you take, right, there'll be support from the family. Think of a situation, there is nothing you do, you start you putting your money into the stock market, telling without telling to anyone, even to your family members, even to your friends or family, anyone. Okay, you just put your money there, and then you start trading, and there is a loss, right? So let's say it will happen to a loss, okay, because you are not telling it to anyone. You're always scared because you're not disclosing anything to your family members or friends or anyone. You're not disclosing your trades. That means that you're not disclosing your activity in the stock market. In that case, you're always scared. You're always in a secondary mode that, okay, I have been targeted. I need to talk to my wife on this. I need to talk to my parents on this. I have put my money here. What they will tell you. All these things will run in their mind. Think of a situation that there's nothing is there from your family. Everyone is supporting you. In that case, you will make tons and tons of money. Unless all the family members supports you. You have to sit with your family members. You need to sit with them, talk to them, and see to that you have all the authority in putting the trades in the stock market. Okay, you need to differentiate what is the risk involved in F&O, what is the risk involved in the equity market, what is the risk involved in everything that you do, right? How much money that you're going to invest? What is your capital that you're going to invest on it? How much of the loss that you can bear on a particular day? It is not like that every day I'll be taking only 1,000 rupees and I'll be quitting it. It's not like that. So every day you should have some kind of a schedule that this much of money that I'm going to earn, this much of loss I'll be getting out from the market. And then after that, I should not touch, I should not touch the screen. So that is a major thing that everyone does, right? So let's say one person, let's say I've seen lots of people like morning 9:15 to 10 o'clock, people would have made somewhere around 20K profits. At end of the day, if you ask them, they will have a loss of 30K. So morning you had a profit of 10K, 20K. What happened to that? Hey, Prem, I just put it in another running script because already I have 20K, so I invested that 20K into a bigger lot and then I lost it. All these things comes into picture, brother. So one thing is you need to be very cautious on your approach on what you're trying to achieve. That you need to have it first thing. First and foremost is discuss with your family that this is your way of work and this is where I invested and this is what I have invested for. So if let's say you invested something like let's say, sir, I have learned everything. Sir, I'm going to invest everything in indexes. I'm going to make money like anything on every SEBI has given me order that I can place index trading on every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All days make or break for me. Every day I'll put 1 rupee, I'll take 1,000 rupees out. Is it possible? No. Is it possible? No. But you need to have patience on that, right? You need to sit and analyze the market first. You need to see all the stocks are working. Well, if you're looking for Bank Nifty, you have to look for all the Bank Nifty stocks. All the Bank Nifty stocks are positive today? No, two scripts are three scripts are negative, two scripts are positive. What will be the outcome of the Bank Nifty? Whether it'll go 1,000 points up or not? No, it will not go. Let's say on a one fine occasion, we'll find all the 5 or 6 Bank Nifty or on profit. That time Bank Nifty will be flying. So in that case, if you buy Bank Nifty on that particular day, you will be safer. Let's say all six Bank Nifty stocks are falling. That day, if you buy Bank Nifty put side, you will get money on it. Right? You will be safer too, because all the banking sector stocks are down. That case, you need to work on it. So these are psychological things. Don't see only the Bank Nifty index chart and see what the trade is going on. If you see the trades on the put side or the call side, right, these kind of big candles are made by the institutional players. They have money, lots of money is there. They will not see anything in the indexes. But if you see, compare, you put all the index stocks in the screen and watch out for, then you see a clarity. Okay, these are all fakes. These are all fake moves. All these things comes into picture. The psychological thing is you need to be aware of the things which is happening in the market. If you're not aware of anything which is happening in the market, you cannot succeed in the market. You need to put your brains into the market. What are the brains? You already have lots and lots of skills in the market. Where this is I'll say take an instance that Srini is sharing the screen. What this 53 put is showing me? Is it a downtrend? Everyone, tell me, is it a downtrend? Right? Every put or every call will open at the high and then it starts to fall. This is where the starting or the falling phase will come. Once the falling phase is over, there'll be a phase of recovery phase. Okay, there should be a consolidation phase should happen, and then the recovery phase should happen. So everything, even a falling phase like this, like it was a falling phase like this. Can you draw a falling phase between 24 and 26? That's a falling phase. Like we have a falling phase from 26 to 27, right? Till 26, yeah. You tell 26 it is falling phase. And then see, it is completely a straight way. It is not going anywhere else. Between 27 and 28, you see at the same level there. Okay. So that is like a clarity that the people are not willing to sell more into that particular option. So these things are very, very important. Even if you just go and see in the option chain or option data or anything, it will not say anything like long build up, short build up, long build up, short build up, long build up, short build up. You will not get anything out of it. Only thing is you get clarity is with the chart. You need to put everything in the chart and see how it works out. Okay. You cannot get more clarity, right? You cannot get anything out of it. You just sit and watch what is going to happen in the market. That is not going to work out. You have to see what is going to be in the store for me, whether it's a right approach, whether it is a right approach of buying a put option, whether it's a call option. All these things will come into your mind when everything is clear. That means that everyone is supporting you. Take an instance, you everyone, like family members, like everyone is supporting you. You've taken a trade. You have to go out somewhere, right? You are getting a call, you're just going out. Someone is there in your family to take care. Someone will tell you that you already entered the trade, idiot, it is going down, come and sell it. I'll take the call on your behalf. Just watch the market. People will be supporting you. They'll be sitting with you. They'll be watching another screen, your put net position, all the stuff. Unless you have your support with your family members. If you don't have a support, right, you will be watching one screen, net position will be going down, 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 and you'll be crying at the end of the day. So that is what it's all about. When you get out from the office or when you get out from the home, everyone should believe you. That means that you should be true to your family. Okay. The psychology factor comes along with your family. Like if you start in a day, right? You're just starting a day. What will you do? You do all the necessary routines, right? Same thing when you come into the market, you should do all the necessary things well in advance. You should not say that, okay, I'm entering the market. Okay, I have to go out and then I have to come back and I have to take a trade. Okay, I have taken a trade. I have a meeting at 11 o'clock. I have taken a trade. I just going out and then coming back and seeing the market. No, it's not possible. Unless you don't have any options, right? You are sitting on the market. You should be watching the screen from the beginning till the end. If you're not watching the entire movement of the market, please don't take any trades. Okay, these are psychological factors. If you have money, something, you have thousands of money in your bank account, okay, that is meant for something else. Please don't use that money into the market. So market will always absorb your money and then they will not give you the money back. They will ask you to invest more and more and more and more. Let's say you put 100, right? It will give you 200. And then if you want to take the money out, the bank or the FNO or even the CB will not allow you to give that 200 back. Hey, come on, you have 200, please trade today. What do? You have 200 rupees margin amount. You will get the money only after tomorrow. So you have the 200 money, so you invest again. So 200 become 400. I got 400, so I just put the 400 and then I'll just want to take out. They will not allow you to take out the 400 also. They will ask you to trade. If you're so adamant that I want 400, then you should not be trading for one full day. Next day you'll get the money back. Is it possible? How many people will say that I'll wait for one full day, I don't trade, I'll take the money out? Is it possible? No one. Okay, if anyone has that kind of guts, right, I can take the money out. I cannot trade for one day. That is not at all possible. You people have been into the market for a very long time right now. It is hard to digest that one day you're missing the trade, your hands and legs will get shivering. It's like you are addicted to it. So how many people are addicted to it? Just frankly tell me. Everyone are addicted, right? 9:15 or if time 9 starts at 9:15, how many people are there at the system watching the screen? Everyone, right? Why is this happening? Why is this happening? Because you people are addicted to it. You don't have a control over it. So once you have control over your mind, you have control over the system. When you control over the system, you have control over the work of everything. Without control over the system, you are out. And also people will trade like anything. Okay, let's talk about a simple thing. Okay, I'll share something, brother. Just a minute. Okay, I'll share something.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Can you see my screen here? Okay, everyone can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here, so let's say there are times that people will get very big amount and then we say that everything is there in the market, right? So everything is there in the market, brother. Okay, you cannot run from the market. You have to do your homework first. If you do your homework first, then it will not get you anything. Okay, the homework is like this. So every candle here, right? You have so much of candles are there, right? This much of candles are there. How many candles are there? Every candles are there, right? Every candle has a role to play. Okay. Every candle has a role to play. That means that every candle will give a breakout above a size of the candle. Okay. If there is a breakout is happening, it should be above the size of the candle. If there is not breakout is happening, there'll be a fall, right? So all you need to do is simple thing is I just do something a clarity on this. So let's say this is a breakout, right? Let's say let's take a breakout here. Okay. I'll take it from the low and then otherwise I'll take it from the higher, okay? So that you get much more clarity on it. Okay. So
Your voice has started cracking.
okay, so what I'm trying to say is every candle has a height. Okay, this is a height, right? This let's say if I take this candle high is here, low is here. So this is the height of the candle. Okay. So if this candle height is broken, so we people will take a trade. There's a big spike is coming up, right? All you need to do is just put this height over there. You will see that it's not crossing that particular height of the candle. So that means that there is no movement can be seen After that, every candle has a specific input to it.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So let's say I have a spike here. So let's say I have a recovery phase is happening around here. Let's say I have a recovery phase is happening around this particular area. Let's say this particular area, the recovery is happening. So what is the recovery phases? This candle is breaking breakout and then this candle is crossing. So that means that everyone would have taken a trade above this. Okay. So if the person is taking a trade above this, what is my target? Or either I can go for a long or short. So people will go for a long when they take it like this candle. They take this candle, they will take a long above this. Okay, they will take a long above this. So that means that this is a long entry. But 497, I can take a long. It went up to 100 rupees in a one single. That means that after this breakout, there should be at least a big move should be coming up. Okay, one that is happening, right? All you need to do is you need to have a breakout plan on it. Okay, so all you need to do a breakout plan is this is a breakout happen, right? So this area will becomes your support area. So this area becomes your resistance area. If it breaks that area will become a resistance area. So all these things will happen. Okay, all the candles have the same figure. Like every candle has an height to it. So let's say I have a height of the candle. If that breaks only, you get another trade. Otherwise, you don't get any trades. Let's say there is a first candle out here. Okay, I'll just take this candle out. Okay, so I'll take this candle out. So that means that after this candle, we get a trade. This is nothing but range of the market. That's what you say, right? But I'll move it to another candle. Okay, I moved to this candle. This is another big candle came in, right? This is the biggest candle came in. So that means that breaking this high, I have a probability of moving up. Here, see, it did not move the height of the candle. So that's where you get more rejection comes in. So even a bigger candle like this happening, right? You just see if the big candle like this is forming, right? Just place this Fibonacci numbers like this. You will find that it has to cross the two levels. It is not crossing the second level, it will definitely come down. So that's where you should be exiting from your position. So all these things will come into the picture on studying the most peaceful aspect of the trading. You don't need anything in the market other than the understanding of the structure. If you understand the structure very well in the market, right, you can make some good money out of it. So you will not run behind anything. Like let's say, I'll take anything, any candle that you want to work on, right? It has to have a structure to it. So let's say any big fall came in like Bank Nifty 52,000. This is called like P and see whether it's a big fall came in. Okay. Hey, sorry, Srini, I just took it over from you. Uh, really
Not an
sorry.
issue, sir. Important concepts only, na?
So
Not an issue.
53,000 here. So let's say I have a big fall is coming like this, right? So the big candles are forming like this. So what shall I do? Big candles are formed. Just simple. Put your regular market numbers here. That's it. So once that is done, you have a fall, and then after that you can take a trade below this. That's it. You will not get anything out of it. You just go ahead with your. There's a big candle forming here. Okay, so the big candle is forming here. Everyone will say that this is a breakout level, correct? This is a breakout level. So after that, the breakout is happening. The big candles are formed. You just go ahead and start implementing on this. Right? Just a big candle is there. I just want to work on a big candle fall. So just go there, just place that particular candle. You'll find it. The breaking is happening exactly around this particular level. This is a beautiful support level. It can get fall, and after that, it's a beautiful fall. So all you need to do is you need to find a big candle for your trades, right? It's simple but very effective. Any candle that you really feel like which is coming, like big fall is coming, you just put right into it. Like this is a big fall candle has come. You just put it there from there to here. That means that there's a fall here. So I'll just take a fall below this candle. Okay, I just taken a below this candle. I taken a fall. So I got the entire money here. I got the money here. So even if it goes up, I have a cell level here, again came down. Again, see, again at the second level here, again there is a cell, again is happening around the same level. So these are the concept, right? You need to know how the candles are will be working. If you don't know the candles, how the candles working, right, you will not able to succeed. So all these things are all right. These kind of concepts will come into picture only when you learn. Okay. All things are learned by, I think, Srini will cover all those topics. Maybe more than that. He has lots and lots of stuff into it. So it's all about psychology, man. It's all about psychology factors. You will not jump immediately into it. So that's a main agenda. That's a main motto to it. Let's say the biggest OH can biggest big candle came in, right? So once you know the concept like this, right, you will never execute your trades. It's been almost you should be exiting your position somewhere around here. So you will be exiting a position. Even if you take a trade, you should be booking a profit here. You should be booking a profits here. Okay. So if you do like this, you will not end up anything. You will not lose anything in the market. If you still running behind your things, right? Then I have no other issue, brother. You have your psychological effect is bothering you. You need to work on your psychology. Okay. So all the best things happens only when you concentrate on the candles. Candles are the base things. So that's what a main concept of Srini will be happening. So I hand it over to Srini. Just go ahead, Srini. What do you want to talk? Okay. Srini, go ahead, Srini.
Yeah, sir. My screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the first and foremost thing I request all of you, please be aware with your mind, whether you are doing with your strategies, personal strategies will be there for everyone. That is okay if you are following correctly. If you are not following correctly, if you are doing over trading, or if you are just pressing buy button or sell button, since you have money in your demat account, you need to think about it, because you are putting all your life hard earned money. So from the side of FIBOS, I request all FNO traders,
Hey,
please be,
one more thing, Srini. So
yes, sir.
I have a question for everyone. Okay. So so one stock is going for a breakout. Okay. So if the stock is going for a breakout, so how many people will buy? Uh, let's say index is breaking out. Okay. So how many people will buy 1,000 lots or 100 lots or even 10 lots, maybe or 10 lots? How many people will buy 10 lots?
Lot,
Lots. So
a
it's
lot. Lot
everyone,
of people will be.
everyone will be saying that 100, right? 150 is fine for me. So if you see, when you do like that, you are losing half of the battle. Okay. So anything which is breaking out has to come to its normal position back. Okay. So that means that any stock which is breaking out, okay, just take this with you. Okay, take this with you. This will be a lifesaver. Okay. Any stock which is breaking on that particular day, and if it crosses two times of the candle which is breaking, right, then it will be going up and up and up. If the candle of the size which is not breaking and it is staying below the two, that candle will come back to the normal position. So that means that even if it goes up, it will come back to the normal position. In fact, it will, even if you wait for 2 hours, 3 hours, you will become a negative figure. So all the concepts are very, very big. Okay, you will have to understand how you have going to execute those trades. Okay. The execute are trades, all the index trades, see, let's say you take an index trade or stock option trade, anything, right? If you get 5% from the investment capital, just come out. Okay, because if next 1 hour, if the stock stays at the same position, right, you will lose all your money. Okay, you lose all your money means that you lose all the profit that you gain for first 1 hour. So that much of selling pressure in their in option, because always options are at premium. So you are going to pay the premium amount on betting it that the stock will go on upside. If it wants to go upside, it has to go upside, up, it should go. If it's not going upside and doing consolidation area, you are lost the battle. Same thing, if you want sell on the selling side, it has to go down, 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 down. If it's not going down, you are lost. So this is the mantra of it. Just take the trade and see how much of profit that you can make it. Just get out of it. So we are there in the live trading session. We tell you that this much of things that will go. That time you can hold it. Otherwise, if you're very confident on your trades, just be aware that you get 5% of the money that you invested come out. And also try to buy it like different thing. Let's say I buy, let's say I'm buying 3,200 call of Reliance. So can you open the Reliance chart, please? You are buying a Reliance chart, okay? So Reliance, what people will do is they will be buying differently. Let's say it is going can you go a little bit downside thing? Go to the right. Yeah. I want there. I want it at 21st. Go before 21st. Yeah, that's where I want. Yeah. So here, so there was a breakout happened around 19th. Okay. Just go back a little bit. On 19th, there was a little bit of breakout. 18th was a breakout. Sorry, 18th was a breakout. And people were buying that particular day. It was opening at the highest, and then it went up, and then it went up all the way up. They started to buy 29,600 call. 2,960 call option. So if you buy 2,960 call option on 18th, so you'll be buying next month call option. Let's say you're buying next month call option at 2,960. So how many lots that you'll be buying? Only one lot you should be buying, because it's a breakout thing. When it's breaking out, try to buy only one lot. Okay. So that will save your money also. Like let's say I'm buying one lot to it. And in the case of fall, right, you are getting a fall. Like from here, you're getting a fall. So where are you getting a fall? Can you do a okay, can you take yeah, I'll take the let me so let's say I'm taking entry at 2,960. So you see another fall, right? Like we need to do some kind of calculation here. So it is coming down pretty drastically. So when it comes down, like from 2,000 to 960, it is coming down to 2,860. Like when it comes down to 2,860, what you're going to buy? You're going to buy 2,960 call again? No, you should be buying 2,860 call. Because if 2,860 to 2,960, if it goes, right, you're averaging. That's an options. Averaging is like you're going to buy in the money option on the current price of the market. Okay, you're not going to buy it out of the money. If you first you're buying in the money, and then after that you should not buy it out of the money. You should be away from that, and you should be buying in the money. Let's say you're buying. Let's say market is 2,960. You bought one lot, and then it's coming down to 2,860. You're buying one lot, and then it came down to 2,760. You're buying one lot. So how many lot you bought? 3 lots you bought. Where are levels that you bought? 2,760 you bought, 2,860 you bought, 2,960 you bought. Okay. So all these things, if you see, you bought at 60 rupees, you bought at 60 rupees, you bought at 60 rupees. Total is 180 rupees you bought. Okay. If 2,760 call comes down to 290, 2,900, right? You're getting 140 rupees at 2,760 call. And you get 2,860, you get 40 rupees. So 140 plus 40 has become 180. It's already your money is recovered. Okay, at 2960 itself. The averaging part should be like that. It should not be the same money that you're going to invest again and again. And also in equity, right? Let's say you're buying index, right? Even if a big candle is formed, let's say you're buying a big, you're getting a big candle that's formed, right? And then the breakout is happening. Just don't go with the breakout. Okay. Always wait for another candle to form. Whether it is coming to the 40% of it or 50% of it, 60% of the highest candle it is formed. The big candle is formed, you will find at least 60% will be covering that. So when it come back to 60% of it, at least to the close of the body, otherwise at least at the open of the body, then you take a trade. You just don't take at the breakout itself. Those are psychological factors that is there because those are the traps that people will do for the retailers. So when people get into those kind of a traps, right, people get directly into the trades and they will loss of money there. So you should not get directly into the trades, taking at the top and then making the money out of it. Don't do that. So these are all psychological. I think you have to do the averaging like that, not like buying at the breakout, selling at the breakout. No, always try to buy at the breakout. You also have to buy it at consolidation, and also you should buy at the low. So low, consolidation, high, all the three levels you should be having that particular steps. Why I'm saying only one lot is so when you come down to the lower side, you get bigger profits, and the consolidation phase you get double the profit. And when you have the breakout, which you missed it, you will not get any money out of it. So that's where you can save your money back. So as long as you are staying with your money in the market, you can survive. If you tend to lose something in the market, then it's hard to recover from the market, guys. It's very difficult. Okay, once your patience and once your mind is lost, you will not get anything out of it. Okay. So that's what we had today. In fact, there is more to it that Srini has to take it. But as we are talking deeper into the psychologicals, I just came and then I just started and hijacking Srinivas things. But there are more to cover in Srinivas sessions. I can show some kind of a sample to it, but that's not fair. Okay, so it's very difficult if you're not understanding the FNO market structure. Okay, so you will not be. I'll just ask some serious questions on everyone's behalf so that Srini can answer it. Srini, there are rapid fire questions for you. I haven't asked you any questions previously. I'm just going to ask you a series of questions so that people can understand who the Srinivas is all about. Okay, can I ask some questions, Srini?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Srini, does this course cover anything on the option build-up data?
No,
Okay, so do I need to have purchase anything like option data for your course?
no, sir.
Okay, do I need any tools and privileges that I need to have for getting the option data or anything with options?
Yes, just chart and basic fundamental tools which are available in Dhan or TradingView, whatever the brokerage you have. That's enough.
Okay. Okay. And then third and the fourth one, okay. So is that we're going to deviate from the Fibor waves and then are we going to have a different session on this option F&O sessions?
Come again, voice.
So I'm just asking you, there are lots of questions out there, right? So the question is, so is this concept that you're going to teach is away from the Fibor factor or it's related to the Fibor factor? It's related to the Fibor factor. Is it correct?
Yes, related to Fibor factor. Fibor factor will be there,
Okay.
and unique concepts also will be there along with it.
Great, great. And then, do I need to know the PCR data, PCR related data to it? Do I need to study
Option chain,
no, option, how much of open interest happen on the particular trade like Bank Nifty? Do I need to look into
nothing,
that? Nothing.
nothing, not required.
So do I need to look at yesterday's data for working for today?
Actually, in the chart we will take further.
Okay, so you
Yesterday data from the chart is required, but no PCR or something else.
so you're not going to look into PCR, you're not going to look into VIX, you're not going to look into anything like, so you're going to do Bank Nifty and Nifty, right? So
Yes.
if I'm going to look into Bank Nifty chart, do I need to look into Bank Nifty stocks?
Yes.
So you're going to teach me on the Bank Nifty stocks as well as the index stocks together?
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
So will you be with us for next 3 months for if I take the course with you?
Yes, definitely.
So will you give me specific calls on index Nifty when I take your course?
Here one concept is there. Actually, till completion of first 3 months, I request the joiners to not to trade,
Okay.
because why I'm suggesting this is because if you take trade during the course, it will be a confusion. But after the course is completed, it will be helpful because your mind will be ready to take trades basing on the strategy start,
Mhm.
and also your psychology will be helpful at that time.
Okay.
My concept is only one thing here.
Okay.
If you are thinking one move in the option, next 5 minutes, in the next 5 minutes, if you are thinking one move in the option, definitely it should happen 80% of the time.
Okay.
Otherwise, you should not trade options.
Okay. Fine.
That
Fine.
mindset will come on after 3 months of training only.
Okay. So will you support for me at least for next 6 months?
Yeah, definitely.
So if I ask you any doubts and questions, will you shout at me?
Definitely wrong answer, wrong questions.
Wrong questions. Why wrong questions? Yeah. See,
The
you
people
are
asked,
no, no, you're
so
working.
many people asked
No, no,
me,
no,
I
you're
will buy,
working.
I will
No, I'm
buy.
asking you, so you're a working candidate, okay? You're working at office. So I'm calling you, hey Steenie, I'm going to take this trade. Where can I take a trade? Can you give me a trade? I'm a little bit lost. So I have taken 4 lots of Bank Nifty call. It is going 20 rupees, 40 rupees loss. I have taken 1,000 lots, again 40 rupees loss.
At that time.
Okay, at the time, will you come and help me in recovering my profits? Loss. Sorry.
Recovery, that all will mind will take responsibility after the completion of course, that where you should take the risk, what will be your risk, what will be your profit earning probability, that your mind will tell you answer after completion of the course.
Oh, so guys, why I ask these kind of questions is, so the thing is you're coming here to learn. Okay. So when you're coming for learning, you have to learn as much as possible. Whatever the things that you're getting it from the mentors, right? Get as much of things as possible because they will be available for you for a particular period, right? So try to get as much of knowledge from them. So don't say that okay, I pay, I have him later, so I will use him for my calls and those things. That will not work out. So it's basically your involvement should be there, and if there's no involvement on your side, right, it's hard to get a person out. Okay, so try to be so involvement into the course so that you get more and more opportunity in getting the knowledge and also in working in the market thoroughly. So these are the factors, guys. So hope you like the session today, but there are more to come. This is not a stopping. Okay, we are going to start more and more knowledge, and we're going to share more and more knowledge. On every Saturday, I'm going to share more and more knowledge to everyone. It's not going to stop here. We are going to open up and we're going to enlighten most of the people outside the world. So that people will understand what we are and what we do. Okay. So that's a clarity that we want to put forward to the every audience out here. So first thing is psychology. If you're not thorough with the psychology, there is a particular session which I took on psychology, which is available in my YouTube. Just go and watch that particular session alone. 1.5 hours of video. It will be very good if you just watch that video alone on psychology factor. You will not miss out anything out of it. Okay. just concentrate on that. You'll make lots of money out of it. So as far the course is concerned, the course is starting next week, and Srini is all prepared, and he is going to boomerang. He's going to rock all the person out there, and he's going to support all the person who is going to take a session with him. And by the way, guys, and one more thing, those who are FIBA family members, I think you have to miss out Srini because he is going to concentrate on all the students that he is going to teach. So he will be concentrate on that particular students alone, and then he is going to put the trades, everything for them alone. So don't expect Srini to post all the trades in our live group. Um, I think it's too much for him, so he has to concentrate on his students. So that's a thing. But I also request Srini, if you have any time, free time is there, if you think that massive movement is coming, you can give one or two to the people out there. So that's one suggestion for you. But other things you can take your own time and then make a big thing for other people. Okay.
Yeah, sir,
Okay,
definitely.
thank you so much for your time. And the session is open. And next week we're going to start a session with Srini that is on track. So all the very best, guys. Take care. And we are going to stop right now. And then see you next week, Saturday, another episode of Prem. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you, Srini. Bye bye.
Thank
And
you,
bye.
sir. Bye.
Good
Yes,
night.
sir. Thank you, sir. Good
Bye.
night.